Hey folks, Dave here with Kodi Customs and Team Ghostware. Make a quick video here today. I'm doing some remote tech support on a customer's box, and I noticed when I logged into his box, he still has terrarium on here. That should not be on your box anymore. There's always going to be little things that you have to do on your Android box to keep it up to date. So we're going to go into the App Store and we're going to remove terrarium, and I'll install something new for him. So we'll open the GhostApps store. And here's something else I noticed when I logged in. His GhostApps store was not up to date. We should see a notification. There it is. So I want to show you how to update the build for the Ghostware store. It's very important to keep this up to date as well. So whenever you see this notification, you're going to want to click Fresh Install. And then we are going to want to continue. It's asking you, do you want to restore the Kodi configuration to default before installing the new Ghostware build? And what that is doing is just wiping the old one so we can install the new one. So we're going to click continue. And this is what it's doing now. It's wiping it back to factory settings. And it is now done. It's going to ask if we want to install it. Of course, as always, there is the password protection. If you don't know the password, contact your rep you purchased the box from. Click Done once you have the password installed. And now we will see it download. Doesn't take very long to update this. We don't do a ton of updates to this, but when you do see an update, please ensure that you do the update. All right, now it's going to extract what we just downloaded. Shouldn't take too long. While you guys are at it, if you want to do me a favor and click that subscribe button, you'll get notifications whenever I create a new video. And once this is done, it's going to ask us if we want to force close or reload the profile. You are always going to click force close. And that's it. It is now completely updated, and you have the newest version of the GhostApps store on your Android TV box. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment of other videos you might like to see me post. And as always, please click that subscribe button. I'm trying to crack 1,000 subscribers. We're at about 220 right now, so we've got a long way to go. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.